Tucked deep in Hokkaido's snow country, Shiguchi is unlike anywhere else. It's not quite a hotel, it's a retreat shaped by art, silence, and centuries-old timber. In winter, it becomes a living gallery draped in snow and stillness. Set in Hokkaido's Niseko region, Shiguchi sits in a secluded valley, looking out across untouched valleys and mountain peaks. Winter transforms the landscape into something otherworldly. Stone paths wind through the 10-feet-high drifts, carved into the banks like little tunnels. Shiguchi is made up of 5 150-year-old Kominka, which are traditional Japanese farmhouses, relocated on a private mountain ridge in Niseko. The design honors the past, but embraces the present, with soft lighting, glass, stone, and shadow. Each villa is a study in restoration, with Japanese joinery, no nails, all original beams and soul. The villas were once rural farmhouses scattered across Hokkaido, each one dismantled and relocated by hand. Shiguchi's founder is Shouya Grigg, who envisioned it as a place where heritage and creativity could coexist. Art fills every space, including sculptures, ceramics, and calligraphy, creating an ongoing dialogue between past and present. You'll find a piece of living heritage with thick oak beams, clay walls, and thatched roofing. Everything invites you to slow down. Tea by the fire, a book in the library, a walk in the snow. Each villa is quietly curated, from antique ceramics and seasonal artwork to shelves filled with books you actually want to read. Some villas have tatami rooms, while others offer Western beds and fully equipped kitchens. The rooms feel monastic and warm. Low beams, wide windows, tatami mats, and thick stone walls, and a real wood-burning fireplace. Guests will love the indoor hinoki bathtub and outdoor stone onsen. The water is soft, mineral-rich, and deeply soothing after a day in the cold. There's a quiet luxury in sinking into warmth while snow drifts through the air, the steam rising like breath into the cold. It's a ritual more than a bath. It is one of the most intimate pleasures of winter in Japan. Dining at Shiguchi draws you deeper into the textures and traditions of Japanese culture. Meals are served at SOMOZA, the estate's adjacent Kominka that also functions as a gallery. The menu draws on Hokkaido's wild and cultivated ingredients, with many grown on-site or foraged nearby, prepares them using hot French techniques. Spa treatments here draw on Japanese bodywork, aromatherapy, and holistic therapies that feel deeply grounded and intentional. They're offered in-room or in a small private treatment space tucked beside the forest. Shiguchi invites a slower pace, where art, architecture, food, and nature are not separate pleasures, but parts of a deeply interconnected whole. It's not about luxury in the traditional sense. It's about attention and depth. Shiguchi is not a hotel. It's a place to exhale, to reflect, and to feel deeply connected to something older than you.